If you're considering Harvest for your accounting needs, there are 12 things you should know before buying it. In this video, we'll dive into what makes it stand out and where it may fall short compared to other software like QuickBooks or FreshBooks. First, let's talk about its simplicity. Harvest is known for being user-friendly and easy to set up, especially for small businesses. Unlike some competitors that can overwhelm you with features, Harvest keeps things streamlined. You can quickly track time, create invoices, and manage expenses with minimal setup. But this simplicity might feel limiting for larger businesses or those looking for more advanced accounting features. Next, Harvest's integration options. One of its strengths is that it works well with a variety of tools like QuickBooks, Stripe, and PayPal. This makes syncing your financial data easier than some other software options. However, if you're after more in-depth integrations, you might find some of its competitors offer more variety, especially when it comes to syncing with advanced CRMs or project management tools. The third thing you should consider is the pricing. Harvest has a free version, but it's limited to just 2 users. If you need more users or advanced features, you'll need to pay for the paid plans. Compared to competitors like FreshBooks or QuickBooks, Harvest can sometimes feel a bit more expensive for what you get, especially if you require features like double entry accounting. Now let's talk about its invoicing capabilities. Harvest offers customizable invoices, and you can set up recurring billing and automatic reminders, which is a huge plus. This feature works well for freelancers and small teams. However, when compared to FreshBooks, Harvest's invoicing options aren't as extensive or flexible, especially for businesses with complex invoicing needs. The fifth thing to know is Harvest time tracking. Time tracking is central to Harvest's offering, and it excels here. If you work on billable hours, this software makes it easy to log time and assign it to specific projects. While other accounting software like QuickBooks can also track time, Harvest's interface is a lot more intuitive for people focused on hourly billing. The sixth thing is mobile support. Harvest has a mobile app, but it's not as feature-rich as some competitors. If you need robust accounting on the go, QuickBooks and FreshBooks offer more extensive mobile options. However, for basic time tracking and invoicing while traveling, Harvest's app does the job. The seventh thing to know is the reporting capabilities. Harvest does offer some basic reports, like time reports and expense reports. These can be helpful for small businesses, but might not be enough for larger companies that require detailed financial statements. Competitors like QuickBooks and Xero have more advanced reporting tools, which may be a better fit for growing businesses. Next, Harvest's customer support is pretty solid. They offer chat, email support, and an extensive knowledge base. However, in comparison to some competitors, they lack phone support, which can be a deal breaker if you prefer direct communication. FreshBooks and QuickBooks both provide phone support, which can be crucial for urgent issues. The ninth thing to know is its project management features. While Harvest is good for tracking time and expenses related to projects, it doesn't offer full project management capabilities. Competitors like FreshBooks or Zoho Books come with more robust project management features such as task assignments and team collaboration tools. The 10th thing is its scalability. Harvest works well for small businesses, freelancers, and consultants, but if you're running a larger operation, you might find it lacks some key features like inventory management or payroll processing. QuickBooks or Xero are better suited for more complex business needs. Next, if you're working with teams, Harvest allows you to set different permissions for each team member. This is a good feature for businesses with multiple users. However, it's not as comprehensive as what you'd find in FreshBooks, which offers more flexibility with user roles and permissions. The 12th thing to know is its international support. Harvest supports multiple currencies and languages, making it a great option